How to cancel an order in Uber Eats. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can cancel an order on Uber Eats, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you want to cancel an order on Uber Eats, all you have to do is simply go and first of all launch Uber Eats app. But the process of cancellation really depends upon what stage your order has already been in. If you only just made the order, you have 2 minutes until you can cancel it without any fee. But if it's already been past that period and the delivery rider has already made your order and prepared it on the restaurant has already started cooking your order and preparing the meal, in that case, because they've already prepared the food, they cannot just waste it. That is why you will be charged a certain amount of fee in order to cancel it. If you're lucky, if it's done instantly, you can still cancel it. To do that, launch the Uber app, tap the card option from the bottom right of the screen. Once you tap the card option from the bottom right, if you look at the top right hand side, you'll find a little orders button. You want to make sure to just tap the orders tab from the top right hand side. When you tap on the orders button from the top right hand side of the screen, you will be able to see all of the orders that you've made, and then you can simply look for the specific order you want to cancel, and then you'll be able to cancel them respectively. This way you can go ahead and then cancel your order on Uber Eats. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.